Hi guys, I'm Mrs. Morris. I'm your 8th grade math teacher, and I wanted to get you familiar with the 8th grade math course specifically. There's a couple of really important things that you need to do right away. Number one, you need to get your TI-84 calculator. You will click here on the landing page, and it will open up a document. It's coming. And it will show you your options for getting the calculator. If you want a physical calculator, one to hold in your hand, you can feel free to purchase one and use it all year. Okay. If you're going to purchase it, you might check Facebook Marketplace and find a used one. That's really nice. All right. Option two, the school can provide you one. Let me show you what it looks like. You do have to use the Chrome browser. I had it open on another page, so it's updating. But you'll go to this website and you'll be able to bookmark it, and it'll look like this. Once we purchase it for you, you'll sign in with Google, and it looks like this. So you just go to Buzz, go back to your calculator, go to Buzz, go back to your calculator. Okay, so that's an option. If you, whoopsie, here we go. If you would like the school to provide you a calculator for your computer, for your Chrome browser, click here, and you're going to fill out this request form. Okay, your name, your email. Here it is. Check your email. Put your name. Put your school email. Here's your example, right? It ends in @students.ischoolvirtual.com. You must use the Chrome browser for it to work. These are very expensive calculators, so please make sure that you have Chrome. Take a look at what Chrome looks like. It's the circle, red, yellow, green with the blue center, right? So you have to understand that. I'm Mrs. Morris, and you'll submit. It will submit the form, and within a few days, you will get an email saying, hey, it's been purchased for you, and you'll be able to use this website. Okay, so that's the calculator options. Now I have sort of a backup option. Option three, if you have a phone that you have access to daily, it'd be a really good idea to also have it on your phone. Calculate 84, the blue one, is actually much better than it used to be. It's all in color, and this one is not. So now I sort of prefer Calculate 84. These are available on your Google Play Store or your App Store, wherever you download your apps. Go ahead and download them. They're free. And make sure that you learn how to use your calculator. This is the calculator you'll have access on your STAR test at the end of the year, and we're going to use it all year. All right, so that's the calculator. Let's go look at some other important math info. Everything you need is on this landing page, so you need to be able to check this landing page daily. All right, so class resources are here. This is also, if I send you an email, this is what is in my email signature. So pretty much everything here is in class resources, but I've tried to put the most important ones on the main page. Okay, announcements, you can look there. If you miss a live class, there's the slides and what you missed in here. Okay, but your main things you're going to be using, the lesson videos. Click here. For every lesson, there is a lesson video. I will do examples and I will get you started on your assignment. You should probably bookmark this page. Here's the star. Should we bookmark this? Yes, we should. Okay, when it loads, I'm probably in too many tabs. All right, there we go. When it loads, there's a couple of, just tips about how to submit something, how to search a word with Control F, how to register, but you are going to scroll down to the unit that you are in. So let's say that we are in Unit 4. We're going to scroll down past Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3. Oh, there we go. Unit 4, Lesson 1. So Unit 4, Lesson 1 has examples, and it also will get you started on your assignment. So this is where you take notes. So think about what class typically looks like. You're sitting in class, your math teacher gives you your notes, you take notes, and then you start your assignment, right? So the lesson videos is how you're going to learn this material. You're going to watch this. One tip, if you're understanding and you like this, I typically will change the playback speed because when teachers are talking, they might be thinking and it takes longer to say what we're trying to communicate. So this is kind of a cool tip. If you go to this, I gotta skip the ad. Go to the gear. You can change it from normal to 1.25. It'll go a little bit faster. Okay, 1.5 is gonna be pretty fast. I would recommend 1.25, but it's up to you. You're going to watch this. I would full screen it, right? Make it big. Don't watch it on a cell phone. And you're going to follow along with the examples. Okay. This page is not loading right now, so we're not going to waste time waiting on that. Lesson videos. If you're working on a lesson, you need to be watching your lesson video, and then you can start your assignment. Okay, here's quiz study guides before you take a quiz. Quiz corrections if you're correcting a quiz. Okay, test corrections is another big one. Test corrections, you'll click here. It will guide you through the process. It'll explain it. You fill it out. It will guide you through the process of where to do your test corrections. And then when your test corrections are finished, you can just submit this form and it will let me know that you're done. So let's go ahead and look at this clipboard here. This clipboard is where you're going to see what you're supposed to do this week. So we're correcting this test if we still need to from Friday. But for this week, we were supposed to do these lessons. Okay, virtual worksheets. Let's talk about that. These are submissions. Let me show you what it looks like. So I said we're in Unit 4. It's fine if you're not. You might be in something else. So Lesson 1, we submitted. It was multiple choice. Lesson 2, when we scroll down, you're going to be a little confused. Like, where are the questions? What's going on here? It says submission. It's an empty box. Here is your attachment. So you need to click this here and download it to your computer, open it up and complete it. There is a lesson video starting you on your assignment. Now, I've had some feedback from last year and this year. I've been asking students, and students seem to really enjoy doing what I've created called virtual worksheets. And so you actually have a choice. When you have this empty box, you can follow along with the lesson video, do your worksheet. You upload it right here. You're going to click this box and upload it and submit. Okay, I don't recommend using Google because you have to change the restrictions, make sure it's open for me to see. I would just put this on my computer and then upload it from my computer using this file right here. Okay, but let's go ahead and look. When you see this empty box, you're like, Miss Morris told me I could do the virtual worksheets. So let's go do that. You can click Delta Math right here, or you can click right here, Virtual Worksheets, and it will take you to Delta Math. We are going to log in with Google. Once that's finished loading, I'll be able to click that. What's great about Delta Math versus a worksheet, it will tell you if you miss a question immediately. That means you're not going to practice incorrectly. You're going to try it. If you miss it, it will let you know, and it will also give you a video showing you how to do it. So you get that immediate help. All right, so we're going to log in with Google with our school accounts. Now, if you need to register, I'm putting that link, that registration class code in there in this email with this video. So you may have to register first if you have not done so already. And if you need help registering, you can just come into my classroom and I can walk you through it. It takes about 3 minutes to register. All right, this is teacher view, so don't look. Okay, so I'm going to show you what the student page looks like. It's really intuitive. You'll see that if you fail a test and you are stuck and you run out of attempts for that test, for math, you're going to show mastery on Delta Math. So you'll log in with Google, and you'll complete the questions within that section that cover Unit 2, showing, hey, I really know what I'm talking about. I can do this stuff. Okay, so that's test corrections. But these virtual worksheets, so we're in Unit 4, Lesson 2, right? So I'm going to scroll down till I find it. And I'm going to click there. And what we're going to do, it looks kind of long, right? And scary. It's not. 2, 4, 6. There's a little video. 7. This is a 7-question worksheet, okay? To put that in perspective. The deal is I'm asking you to get it right. I want to see 100%. So you'll click the first little section, and if you need a refresher, like maybe you missed live class this last week, oh no, I've missed class, I was sick, you might watch the video. Or maybe you just need a little refresher because, hey, this is pre-algebra and we're doing some algebra this year, so you'll probably want to watch that video. You can also, if you're all videoed out, you can click show examples, and it'll show you what to do. Okay, I just prefer someone showing me how to do something. So what you'll do is you'll complete this. I'll go ahead and do it. Y-intercept, -4. I'm not going to teach you because it'll take too long. -2 over 1. Oh, look, I did it. Okay, I'm going to submit. It always asks you to confirm just in case you have a typo. Oh, look, I got it right. Yay, and just in case you guessed correctly, they're going to show you why. All right, we'll go to the next problem. Oh, I got to do another one. You can see that I have a score of 1 out of 2. When it says 2 out of 2, it'll give you a big check mark, and it will move you on to the next little section of questions. Okay, so if you're going to do this Delta Math, I would love if you took a screenshot showing this Delta Math. Okay. For Chromebooks, it's different than, other devices. And I can teach you how to do this. Your success coach can teach you how to do this. But you're going to take a screenshot. The whole page. Because it has your name and it shows, your grade. Oh, here I got a 10. Okay, that would need to be 100 for that to be worth submitting. But you get the idea. So once you do that, here's the deal. You're going to be stuck in your buzz course. What if you're working at 9 o'clock at night? Ooh, I don't recommend that ever because it's pretty late. I'd rather you get sleep than work at 9, 10 o'clock at night. But let's just say your teachers are not available, right? So you want to submit this and move on. Let me show you what to do. Here was our empty box, right? Here's our empty box. Did we do the worksheet? No, we did the Delta Math. If you click here, you can click the little picture and submit a picture of your screenshot. And then I'll know you got 100% on that lesson. Okay, if you're having trouble with the screenshot, at least give me a comment right there saying, I completed the Delta Math, and then I'll know to go look and grab that screenshot for you. Okay, just while you're learning everything, I don't mind doing that at all. We just want to show that you know this material, whether you choose to do the file, right, the worksheet, go ahead and show you what it looks like, or whether you choose to do the Delta Math. it's kind of nice. You get to choose. So most of your submissions are multiple choice, but then when you see that empty box, you're going to be working, calculating slope and different things like that and graphing. Okay. And you can edit the document. You can also use Kami with a K, Kami. Your success coaches teach you about Kami. So there's a lot of ways to edit this document. And just make sure that you click those three dots. Let me move my face here. And save it to your computer. And I would always put my name in the front or your initials or something so that you don't accidentally submit the blank document, right? And get a 0. You want to submit what you did and edited. I think that some students really just had a lot of trouble with submissions this year. And so most people are just commenting, I did the Delta Math and that's working really well. So it's completely up to you, but your submissions are multiple choice, or if it's an empty box, I would recommend you just go to Delta Math, log in with Google, complete it, and then just leave me a comment right here telling me that that's what you chose to do. You'll get the hang of it. Give yourself some time to figure everything out. I hope that was helpful to you, and I hope that helps you sort of navigate and get your feet wet in our course. Again, your resources that you really need every day are these lesson videos, and then you're just going to use the lesson videos to complete those lessons. There aren't very many quizzes right now, so this is not a big concern right now. We have more lessons and submissions and things like that, and then the test. So if you have trouble with anything at all, please come in. I would love to help you get a Delta Math account. And if you want to go ahead and get started, I would love for you to create that account and go ahead and get started in your course and just take a look and see if you have any questions about anything. Here in the red circle is where you will drop in between 9 and 12 and 12:30 and 4. Those are office hours where you can drop in at any time. You'll click here and it will take you to my classroom where you can get some help. All right, guys, I hope that helped. Please reach out if you need anything. It's going to be a great year.